Hello guys and welcome back to Heloanfa. So today I'm going to show you how to use visual lookup on your iPhone, and these cool features let you identify things in your photos like plants, animals, landmarks and more with just one tap. So let me show you how it works. Okay, first make sure your iPhone is running iOS 15 or later and you are connected to the internet. Now open the photos and choose a picture that has something interesting in it, and then if visual lookup is available for that photo, you will see a little icon eye here at the bottom with a sparkle stars on it. So tap on it and you will see the photo details like location and time, but more importantly there will be a section called lookup. Okay, this one. So if it's plant, it might say look up plants, and if it's dog, it might say look up dogs, or landmarks, outwards or book depending on the image. And tap that option and click on look up American wire hair, and your iPhone will show you results with information about what's in the photo. Okay, it is super useful if you are curious about something in your pictures or want to learn more with just one tap. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe these channels, and see you in the next video.